Let's say you're managing quality for a food packaging line. You've got temperature logs, seal pressure readings, and line speed data coming in every second. Traditionally, you'd set upper and lower control limits on each one individually. But here's the problem. A temperature reading that's perfectly within limits can still signal trouble if it's climbing while seal pressure is simultaneously drifting low. A traditional control chart won't catch that interaction. An AI anomaly detection model will. It's been trained on months of normal operation, so it understands the relationships between all your parameters. When it sees that unusual combination, it raises a flag. Your team investigates, finds a heating element deposit causing uneven sealing, and fixes it before a single pallet ships with compromised seals. That's the power of AI in quality risk identification. It sees the multivariate patterns your manual checks simply can't, and it does it continuously, without fatigue, 24 hours a day.